It was really cool to see like the transformation of what we can do as a group instead of a single person, and how much something can come together with a few weeks of work.
My 6th grade social studies students and I did a huge makerspace project where we built a life-size Egyptian tomb.
One of the main goals with our makerspace program in the lower school is to find teachers to collaborate with and give them an opportunity to create projects a little bigger than they normally would have been able to in the confines of their classroom.
It was really fun to build it in the makerspace and have more of like a creative learning process and be able to like express our learning with building stuff.
The tomb came out really amazing. We all did our overall jobs, and I think personally it was a piece of art.
I wanted them to understand when you do research, it leads to something, it leads to an outcome. I have never seen the boys so motivated to do their research, because until the research was done, they weren't allowed to do the making and hands-on building.
We kind of always are going to remember, like in 6th grade, I made this entire tomb with all my friends and it was really fun. And I'll remember like the facts of the tomb.
One of the great things about maker-centered learning is that the process becomes part of the product. A project like this is not instant gratification, but to keep doing all these small little steps until it builds into something really large and exciting that they're excited to be a part of.